Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and I'm here today with attorney Stephen Jessup. And today's disability benefit tip that we're going to discuss is treat with the appropriate medical doctor. And Stephen, what does that mean to you when you hear treat with the appropriate medical doctor, and why is it so important?
Well, it's important because the insurance companies are always going to see, A, if you are under appropriate care. A lot of people will just treat with an internal medicine doctor, and that's not necessarily a problem. But based on your condition, you really should treat or at least consult with a specialist for that, because the insurance company is going to give more weight to the opinions of a specialist over your primary care doctor.
And I know we have lots of other videos where we've talked about the different medical specialties, but a lot of people go to their primary care doctor. And can you explain why it's not enough usually to just see a primary care doctor?
You know, because primary care doctors are going to treat the general type things, right? And they'll more than likely, suggest that you do treat with a specialist, give you a referral to someone who's going to have better expertise in it. Now, we do use primary care internal medicine doctors sometimes as the doctor that oversees everything. But if you're only treating with that person, and say you have a back condition, you don't have a ortho workup or a neurological, that primary care doctor is only going to know so much and be able to give information. So it's really important to get to those specialists to have an understanding of what the diagnosis is, because the insurance company is always going to be looking at, all right, well, if you got something structurally wrong, what's the chances of you recovering? How can we get you back to work? How can we deny this claim?
Right, and the other thing that I want people who are watching these videos to understand is that this is about a battle of the experts at the end of the day. And you use the example of a back condition. So if I'm representing someone who has a back condition, I'm going to say you really need to see an orthopedic doctor, or you need to see a neurologist, or you need to see a neurosurgeon, because that particular doctor has a board-certified specialty in dealing with the spinal cord. And if the disability company has some general doctor review the claim and you have a board-certified specialist in back conditions, then you're going to be in a better position with better evidence. And God forbid your claim gets denied and it goes to a judge who looks at it. The judge is going to say, this is an orthopedic and they had a regular doctor, so I'm going to take the weight of the orthopedic over the regular doctor. And that's why it's so important to treat with the appropriate medical doctor. So if you have a long-term disability insurance claim, no matter where you live in the country, our lawyers are available to help you. We always provide a free initial consultation, and we encourage you to contact us. We'd love for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you can do by clicking on the link below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time. We look forward to helping you in the future.